In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Lovable AI. To do that, head over to analytics.google.com and then after that, just create or bind right here a property that you want to add. So on my case, let's head over and add right here our property. Click on your name right here and click on this add an account. Just right here your properties and apps that you currently have and then head over and click on open. So with this, you just need to bind Lovable directly into this and you can get tagging instructions for this as well. Click on this get tagging instructions and then it will open right here this. So we can also add another stream by clicking onto this add stream option. Just head over and click on this right there if you would want. But if you have it already, you can head over and then just click onto that particular data stream and you can set up the Google tag. Just copy this and then add it directly into your Lovable in order to connect those two together. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.